What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to quantize your audio. Quantizing audio is very important when it comes to music production, and let me show you guys how it's done. I have a piano track here, I'm going to just play it for you. Okay, one of the things that you can do is to just double click on the audio event, open the sample editor, and you can go to audio warp, select free warp or musical mode, and then edit the way you want. There's a faster way to achieve this, and that is by using the quantize. Okay, so I'm going to click on the quantize panel here. So here I have to select the right preset. Let's hear it one more time and just figure out the right quantize preset. Before I quantize this audio, I'm going to create a duplicate version. So I'm going to go to track version, duplicate, and I'm going to use the duplicate version to quantize so I can compare it later. Okay, I'm going to select the quantize preset. I'll go with the 8 note, and I'm going to hit the audio warp and hit quantize. Okay, now I got two versions here. One is the quantized version, another one is the original version. So let's hear it. So this is the quantized version, this is the unquantized. If you double click on the quantized one, you can see that it's been edited. If you don't like some of the timing, you can actually go ahead and just manually change it. Go to free warp and then adjust it the way you like it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you find value in this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.